Hi guys, I got another little project I'm gonna do. This goes on my front porch. I got this at Rustic Relics, and I really want some yellow in this. My sunflowers that I'm gonna use on the front porch have yellow on them, and these are solid orange and black. So I'm gonna attempt to put just a little bit of yellow on it. I don't know exactly what color I want. So I'm gonna just tease it a little bit and see. Just enough. I don't want it, of course, I don't want it solid. And the minute I say that, I get it solid. But I just kind of want some of the tips. I just want it to feel a little more, another color other than just black and orange. I know it's got the beige in it, but all I see right now are the black and the orange. And I loved these pillows. Now, this is going to be on my front porch, so it's not like it's something that everybody's going to see. It's just going to be a quick glance. So that's why I'm thinking just this little bit of yellow. And I also wanted to show you that you can change. You don't have to. If there's something you want and it's just not got the right colors in it, all you have to do is change it. I'm just going to put some yellow all in here, just as if this leaf was changing colors. I don't care if I get in the vein of it, it's okay. So what I'm doing is, you know, I put one coat in there and it just kind of sealed off the fabric in those areas. So I'm just going in there and putting in some yellow where I want it and how I want it. And it's going to give me enough yellow in there that it's got a variation. It's just not so orange. Also, I think I'm going to hit this stem a little bit, just to kind of take that black edge off. Voila! Now the one that matches it says Happy Harvest, and it has some yellow right there on it. And I have a little red left on here from the other day, so I'm just gonna freshen it up. Oops, I don't want it to be rose. I want it to be yellow. So I'm just gonna do the very same thing I did on the others. I'm kind of scrubbing it into the fabric so it grabs on to that tooth that's in the fabric and kind of settles into it. We're getting there. And it just kind of settles that orange and black down a little bit. I don't mind the black being on there. I just wanted some more of the yellow. Since I'm going to do sunflowers, I just wanted some more of that yellowy in there. Voila. It's always an adventure in my studio. Till the next one.